Okay, so to start off your trading day, what you're gonna want to do is use a 50 moving average. Okay, so it looks like this. Simple 50, any color you like. Okay, alright, so what I do is I start off with weekly. Okay, I just see what um where the market's moving. Okay, let's do a different pair. Actually, we'll stay on this. Look at this drop, but this was from banks and stuff. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, so let's just look at this now. Okay, look at how the price is below the moving average, so we see that it's going upwards. Okay, so we go down, it will change though. Okay, so it always change. Then we go to the daily, so we know that we're in a long-term uptrend. Okay, so for this we only want to look for buys. Okay, so we know that we're in an uptrend. We don't bother about it depends. If you want to scope, you'll start off with 4 hour. So in the 4 hour, we're in a downtrend. And then we go to 15 minutes. We could possibly make a quick sell here, you know? Okay. But anyway, so whenever you look at moving average, always look at the above and then go to another, like lower. So if you start 4, go to 30. If you start weekly, go to 4 or daily. Okay, I'll go to daily now. Okay, we start with weekly, yeah? So, okay, here I can already see it buy. Okay, look, let's look at, okay, look, here's some resistance. Okay, look, here, here. This could be a bounce trade. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to show you exactly how you trade these. Okay, we're going to use harmonics eventually. Okay, so you will draw, I'll just give you an example. I don't know if this is a harmonic pattern, but let's see. I'll teach you all about that eventually, but for now let's just start off this. Okay, so look, 38618, sorry, and the other harmonic pattern wall, let me just see. Later on I'm going to show you a lot of okay, this is a good buy. This is a very good buy. This will shoot all the way up here. This could take profit here, could take profit here. But anyway, it's a good buy. That's it. So the reason why we know that it's an uptrend, so we're looking for buys. Plus you can see, remember, resistance equals new support. So it's opposite. This used to be resistance. It couldn't break up. Now it's holding it. It changed. It used to be resistance. Now it's support. Buy. You understand? But it's not just that. We're using a harmonic pattern with Fibonacci, because remember it hit 618. But anyway, later we're going to show you harmonic patterns. Okay, so that's just number one. Okay, so one sec. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say here is, when you are looking for a trade, just look at the week trend. Okay, trend, remember, trend is your friend. Like the banks say, always look for the trend. Okay, let's see this. Okay, we can see that it's in a bit of a downtrend. Go down. Okay, we're in a sell here. Okay, let's see. Okay, here I can see a nice breakout. Look at that. Okay, so with this, you're gonna want, okay, look, when there's a trend, okay, trend line, sorry, you always wait for this. Look, 1, 2. Okay, so this is all you need so far. You wait for the third to break, then you don't sell. No, you don't sell. You wait for a retrace. Okay, this is what I do. Look, I wait for a retrace and I'll buy. Okay, so I'll draw from wherever it is. I'll wait for it to sell here. But if the price goes lower, then I draw the Fibonacci to wherever it stayed, and then buy. I mean, sell at 3.8. Stop loss above 50. Okay, 3.8. Always sell here. Sometimes 50. Sorry. Okay, 3.8. You sell here. You'll take. Okay, let's give you an example. Right. So look, I sell 3.8. My take profit is gonna be here. Look, can you see it stood on that line? The next one that was on that line. Okay, so 3.8 retrace. So 3.8 sell. Boom. Okay, that's another example. That's just giving you some example. Alright, but now let's show you some support and resistance. Okay, let me just give you some more examples. Okay, all right. Right, because eventually in this course I'm going to go through more technical. Now, you know, you still got a lot of time. Going to go through harmonic patterns, going to go through many things, okay? Lots of things, support and resistance. So, okay, so we figured out the trend way. Now, you know, personally I think I recommend looking, maybe starting from daily, okay? So look, forget weekly, let's look at daily, okay? Because it's a bigger time frame. So look at daily, okay? So look, prices below. This is, you know, the moving average is also sometimes support. See, look, there you go. Support, resistance, support, see. Okay, so we'll go back to 4 hours now. Okay, there's a nice buy. Okay, why is that? Okay, trend line. Remember that, okay? Trend line, it's not just that. When the price touches a trend line, the first one that touches a trend line, you put that above it. When it breaks it, so look, what do? I go to the lower time frame and I look for it to open above this line. Look how it opened above that line. Buy. See, look, see, it couldn't break through. You put your stop loss here, take profit all the way up here. It should go all the way back up, or even here, just somewhere safe. Okay, so that's an example of trend lines and support, because support and trend lines is the same thing. Okay. Okay. Now let me just show you this. Where is it? Okay, average truly range. I want you to see this, okay? If you want to know where you put your stop loss, this is what you use, okay? Not just this, it helps you, but where is it? Average true range, I can't see it. Sorry. I can't find it. Ah, there we go. It was there all that time. Okay, put on 14. Okay, so for example, yeah, we're on daily chart, okay? Take a look at this, yeah. Okay, so this means 101. The last number, okay, basically it's the same as this. Look, if you drag this, you would, okay, no, it's all it is. This is only 1 1. Take away the 6, don't look at 6, just look at the 11, okay? So that means you're looking for 1010 pips. So your stop loss will be 1010 pips. This is an example. I use ATR in smaller time frame, and your take profit will be double this. So it will be 2020. But there's an indicator. Just type in on Google ATR pip indicator, and it will tell you exactly how many pips. Because if you want to see how many pips you know to take profit, you use this. Look, the second one where it says 940. That's your pips. When it's actually 940, it's not 940. It's only 94. This is 70, you know, some people think it's 700, it's only 70. 700 would look massive, it would be off the screen. So yeah, that's another example anyway. Okay, so as I don't want to get into too technical yet, I want you to go through some charts and I want you to look at these levels, okay? I want you to, okay, so look, here you can see 1, 2. I want you to look for levels that will drop, so this is support, and will turn to resistance. I want you to get used to it, okay? This is important. This is what I used to struggle when I started off trading, okay? It's these. You have to look for these, okay? So, like I said, there's an indicator which I use, fractals. Actually, no, not these. Sometimes, let me get you this. Let me just reset it. Look at parabolic SAR. I personally think parabolic SAR is better. Okay, so look. Let's go back. It depends. Look, there we go. Let's see. Fractal and parabolic. The same thing. It depends whatever you like. Okay, so look. Here you can see, look, that was resistance, then support, then resistance. But, you know, you can rely on them yourself. So here you can see that if there was the price to hit here, yeah, you could draw trend lines. You can maybe see, you know, you want to look for high probability trades. See, there we go. Look, can I just show you this? 1, 2. So imagine it hit there, 3. You understand? That's just an example. No? We don't just trade off that, but you know, I'm just saying high probability trade. So there's a high chance that if it hits, it drops. You know. Anyway, let's forget about that now. That's just an example. We're gonna get more technical soon. Okay. Anyway, other things. Let me just show you this. Okay, let's go to 15-minute time frame. Let's learn some channels too, okay? Personally, low time frames aren't always the best, but they are good too. If you see a very simple trade setup, okay, you need to learn your patterns. Okay, I'll probably draw from here. See, they're not as accurate, you can tell already, see. But anyway, that's a sell. See, the first profit will be there. Second, you know. Okay, that's an example. And yeah, so basically with these, I don't really use them because Fibonacci and powerful numbers don't really work on these levels. So that's just an example. Let me just show you this. Okay, let me just give you some examples of Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci is support and resistance. So look, let's pretend that we're here now. Okay, so don't look at all of this. Let's look at this. Okay, so like swing high, swing low. Remember, price always retraces. It retraces here, 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 sometimes here. This is the best area to sell. Look. But that's obviously a different thing. Let's draw. Okay. But this is just giving you some examples. Eventually we're going to put this all in a strategy. But here, these are numbers. Okay, let me show you how you draw Fibonacci. Fibonacci is important. Okay, so let's swing high, swing low. Okay, look, basically touch 38. Okay, sometimes it might break through a bit. It's this zone. Look, from here to here. Let me show you. Look. So look, if it's like this, that's fine. Okay, even here, anywhere in between, even if price touches here, is fine. Okay, here I would rather not. 61, if it breaks 61, then don't sell here, sell here. 7.6 and 7.8. okay, always sell there, never sell here, sell here. Stop loss here, this is a powerful level, 88.6 for the stop loss. But you know, if you're selling 38, but I don't just sell, I have to figure out why I'm selling here. I don't just use Fibonacci to sell, it's a confirmation. Okay, okay, this is more examples. And yeah, so this is just a little so yeah, what I want you to do, I want you to look. Okay, let me just give you one more little tip. Okay, so let me do that. 0.006, I think. This. Yeah. Okay, I know this looks a bit complicated, but this helps you learn swing high, swing lows. So let's swing high and a swing low. I know the parabolic. Okay, there. Look, the next parabolic here. Look, swing high, the next swing low. See, look at that. 6-1 drop. See how it dropped? 618 is a strong number. I know some traders that only sell here. They sell here only. This is the level they sell. And that's all they use. But I don't use that. I need more confirmation. Look at this too. See, the number still respected this level. But that's just different. Anyway, I would have deleted this Fibonacci and made a new one. So look, let's go back to swing high. Swing low. Look, like I said, 786 drop. Look at that. Back to 23. 23 and 786 is the same number. So is 618 and